Hey everybody, today we're going to be changing out my windshield wipers and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so first of all, what you do, according to Tesla, is you can open up the control panel, hit service. So push that, that's going to bring these up. Okay, so next we have the Bosch Aero Twins. These are the new blades right here. I'm going to be replacing these blades right here. So these are up. I am going to push this button. Be very careful not to slam that metal arm onto your windshield. There's the old one. Here's the new one. Make sure it's stuck in there. This button is good. And that's how you replace that one. We're going to do the same with this. So we're going to push this button. This one out. Here's the old one. Here's the new one. There we go. Oops. Okay. I'll give this a tug. Make sure it's tight. And those are the new ones. This one says Bosch. These look very similar. All right, the new wipers are installed. The last thing to do is to disable the wiper service mode, and that can be done by getting back into the menu in service and pressing the blue button. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.